Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best bedding for guinea pigs, rabbits, hamsters, gerbils, and chinchillas. Kaytee Clean and Cozy Lavender Bedding. This bedding is specially designed to provide comfort and cleanliness for small pets. It boasts a natural lavender scent, which not only keeps your pet's habitat fresh but also promotes a calming environment. It can absorb up to 6 times its weight in liquid, ensuring that your pet stays dry and comfortable. With a 99.9% dust-free formula, it minimizes respiratory issues and keeps the cage cleaner. Made from safe materials, it's suitable for all small pets. Easy to clean and maintain, making it convenient for pet owners. It's Amazon's choice, indicating high customer satisfaction and reliability. The natural lavender scent not only masks odors but also provides a soothing atmosphere for your pet. Customers appreciate its softness, absorbency, and ease of cleaning, making it a top pick in pet bedding. Whether you have a guinea pig, rabbit, hamster, gerbil, or chinchilla, Kaytee Clean and Cozy Lavender Bedding offers an excellent solution for maintaining a clean and comfortable habitat. Don't hesitate to give your pet the best with Kaytee Clean and Cozy Lavender Bedding, available now on Amazon. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.